know the rules. No food in the movie theater.
Oh, please, can I bring my candy in?
Of course not. Rules are rules. Give it.
Oh, I don't want my snacks to be taken away, but I think I know how to hide them. I think it looks like a bracelet. Now he'll never notice my candy bracelets.
No candy. Enjoy your food. Do you have any candy?
Of course not, see?
Okay. Go ahead and enjoy your movie.
Okay, thank you. But now's my chance to eat.
Huh? You have candy? Can you share with me?
Yeah, sure. Here you go. Thank you, Lily. Yeah.
Alright, enjoy the movie. Hold it right there. Hey, what's in the box?
I just brought some shoes for the movie.
What? But Amy Saves Knitting World is an action adventure.
Yeah, I'm just really emotional.
Alright, go in. Oh, go on in. Enjoy the movie.
Time to eat. Do you guys want some candy?
Sure. Thanks, Becca.
Yeah. Lily, let's go to the movies.
Oh, that's a good idea. I even have some candy to bring.
Oh, but you can't bring your own snacks into the theater.
That's right.
What are we gonna eat then?
I know. All we need to sneak our candy in is some tape and some candy.
What are we gonna do with that?
Turn around.
Okay.
First, just move the hair to the side. Next, cut a piece of tape. Put it on the candy. Now we just stick it to your back. Repeat until you have as much candy as you want. Finally, just cover it back up with her hair. Now let's go to the movies.
Okay.
Look, Becca, to throw off security.
Wow.
Alright, go on in. Wait, hold on. You know the rules. No outside food in the movie theater.
Oh man, but I really wanted to eat these.
Well, rules are rules. Hand them over. Do you have any candy?
What? No, Lily had all the snacks and you already took those.
Oh, you're right. Alright, well, go ahead and enjoy the movie.
Did you get caught?
Nope. Here, grab some candy.
Yes!
Are you guys eating candy?
Yeah? Do you want some?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, here, take some.
How many times do I have to tell you? No outside food in my theater.
Come on, it's just one bag of chips.
No!
Oh, I need to find a way to hide my candy. What can I use? Oh, I'll use my clear phone case to hide my candy. Just line the strip along the phone case. Just repeat until the phone case is covered. Now, just place your phone back on the phone case. Now, it just looks like a rainbow design. I'm here to watch Hacksaw Valley.
What's that in your hand?
This is just my phone, see?
Alright, go on in.
All right.
Exit the theater to your right.
What? The movie's over? No! Hi, can I see the movie?
Yeah, but this is a pretty loud movie. Are you sure you want to bring your baby in there?
Oh, it's not a real baby. I just have to bring it everywhere for health class.
I guess that's okay then. Alright, go ahead. Alright, you're good. Yeah, go on in.
Whoa, is that gum? Can I have some?
Sure.
All right.
Alright, you can go in. Stop right there. Do you two have any candy?
What? Us? Never! See?
I guess you're right. Alright, come on in.
Yay! Are you ready to eat our snacks, Becca?
Definitely.
Cheers! Do you want a lollipop, Becca? Sure!
That's it. You know snacks aren't allowed in my theater. Get out of here. Go on in. Wait, hold on. Oh, sweater. Show me what's in your pockets.
Huh? I don't have anything. See? They're empty.
Alright, that should be fine. Go on in.
Finally, I can eat my candy.
She snuck candy in? Maybe they'll give me an extra movie ticket if I tell. Hey, move! Hey, security!
Oh, what is it?
There's someone that snuck candy in here!
What?
Oh, there she is!
Alright, where's your candy?
My candy? You already checked me.
Huh? Check a hoodie strings!
Huh? That's definitely candy. Get out of my movie theater.
So, do I get a reward?
A reward for what? Just enjoy the movie.
Oh, at least I get the movie theater to myself.
Please, please, please. Just this once.
No, hand them over.
Never.
Why do you have a notebook? Is there candy in there?
What? No, my teacher just said we get extra credit if we take notes on this movie.
Okay, but just to be sure, shake your notebook so I can see if there's any candy.
Okay, look. No candy.
Okay, you're good to go. Alright, go on in.
Yes! It's a good thing he didn't see that my pencil had a lollipop. Best lollipop ever.
Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.